In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to customize the territory center that appears in the center of your territories here in AlignMix. Now, by default, the territory center will be the geographic center. You'll notice here on my screen that the territory center has not been turned on yet. Now, you can turn it on by clicking here on Layers in the top left, and then click here on Centers and select Territories. And just like that, the red star will appear showing you the geographic center of every territory. While in the layer view here at the top, we can toggle the color of the star to match the color of the territory by clicking here on the center's color button. And just like that, you'll see there is a star matching the color of every single territory that it belongs to. So let's toggle that back on so they all appear as red. Now, to customize how the center appears, whether it's geographic or data-driven, you can click here on Configure Layers, then select Territories from the bottom left, and then the third tab where it says Territory Centers. And this is where you can customize the shape of how the territory center will appear, at what level the shape should appear at, and what size it should appear at, and its max size, and also what should determine the center. So as I mentioned, the center by default is the geographic zip code center. If you do have data imported, you can also use data and any data set that you've imported. So we select workload, the geographic center will now be changed to the workload center of every territory. As I click that, you'll see that it has shifted to the new center, which is now based on the workload. Going back to configure layers, you'll see there's another option here under the calculation. So it also limits to the largest contiguous area. So this will apply to areas that are non-contiguous. Most typically, that would be Seattle and Alaska, or Hawaii if it's connected to Los Angeles. So by clicking that, it'll force the center star to appear in the largest contiguous area on the map. So when you click that OK, it would modify it for those special circumstances. The same type of customization can be used for the district and region centers here in AlignMix. And there you go, you've just learned how to customize your territory, district, and region centers.